Artisanal Cheese Pairing Guide, Create Perfect Combinations. Title: Artisanal Cheese Pairing Guide, Create Perfect Combinations. Introduction, 100 words. Artisanal cheese, with its distinct flavors and textures, provides a delightful culinary experience. Whether you are hosting a gathering, planning a picnic, or simply looking to elevate your cheese P. Ladder, pairing artisanal cheese with complementary flavors can enhance your overall enjoyment. In this article, we will explore the art of cheese pairing, offering a comprehensive guide to creating perfect combinations that will impress your taste buds and delight your guests. Artisanal cheese can be broadly classified into 6 main types: fresh, bloomy rind, washed rind, aged, blue, and hard. Each category possesses its unique flavors, textures, and aroma, making them excellent candidates for specific pairing choices. Fresh cheeses, such as goat cheese or ricotta, typically exhibit a mild and tangy flavor, while bloomy rind cheeses like brie or camembert showcase a creamy and soft texture. Washed rind cheeses, souk, H's Taleggio or Epices, are known for their pungent aroma and robust flavors. Aged cheeses, like Parmigiano Reggiano or Gouda, present a complex and nutty taste. Blue cheeses, such as Roquefort or Stilton, offer a bold and sharp flavor profile. Lastly, hard cheeses, like cheddar or manchego, are often savory and intense in taste. Cheese flavors can range from mild and delicate to bold and tangy, while additional components like fruits, nuts, and condiments can contribute acidity, sweetness, or earthy undertones. Building a harmonious pairing is about finding balance and enhancing the unique characteristics of each element. The sweetness of the fruits complements the creaminess and mellow taste of the cheese. 2. Zesty and fresh. The tangy flavors of fresh goat cheese or feta pair wonderfully with acidic fruits like berries or citrus segments. The refreshing zest enhances the creaminess of the cheese and adds a burst of brightness. 3. Nutty and aged. Pair aged cheeses, such as Gruyere or aged cheddar, with toasted nuts like walnuts or almonds. The earthy flavors of the nuts complement the rich and nutty notes of the cheese, adding a well-rounded combination. 4. Bold and spicy. Pair blue cheeses, such as Gorgonzola or Cabrales, with spicy accompaniments like jalapenos or hot honey. The sharpness of the blue cheese is countered by the heat and spiciness, resulting in a dynamic flavor profile. 5. Robust and savory. Hard cheeses, like Parmesan or Pecorino, can be paired with cured meats like prosciutto or salami. The savory notes of the meat complement the intense and salty flavors of the cheese, creating a delightful umami experience. 6. Complex and floral. Pair washed rind cheeses, like Munster or Lavero, with dried fruits like apricots or cranberries. The subtle sweetness of the dried fruits counterbalances the pungent and creamy flavors of the cheese, adding a touch of elegance. Experimenting and expanding horizons, 300 words. Creating cheese pairings is not just about sticking to the traditional combinations. Feel free to experiment with unique flavors and ingredients, expanding your palate and discovering new combinations. Consider trying pairings with different types of honey, spicy chutneys, herb-infused oils, or even craft beers and wines to elevate your cheese tasting experience. Here are a few more pairing suggestions to inspire your culinary creativity. 1. Soft and fruity. Pair a mild and creamy cheese, such as Camembert or Boursin, with sliced apples or juicy grapes. The natural sweetness of the fruit complements the delicate flavors of the cheese and adds a refreshing element to each bite. 2. Creamy and smoky. Try pairing a smoky cheese like smoked Gouda or smoked mozzarella with roasted red peppers or sun-dried tomatoes. The smokiness of the cheese is enhanced by the intense flavors of the roasted vegetables, creating a robust and satisfying combination. 3. Tangy and spicy. For a bold and fiery pairing, pair a tangy cheese like feta or queso fresco with spicy pickled peppers or hot salsa. The tanginess of the cheese helps balance the heat from the ices, resulting in a tantalizing combination of flavors. 4. Herbaceous and fresh. Pair herb-infused cheeses like herb-crusted chèvre or dill Havarti with fresh herbs, such as basil or mint leaves. The herbal notes in both the cheese and the herbs create a harmonious flavor profile that is both refreshing and aromatic. 5. Sweet and nutty. Add a touch of sweetness to hard and nutty cheeses like aged Gouda or Asiago by pairing them with caramelized onions or a drizzle of balsamic glaze. The sweetness from the onions or glaze complements the rich and nutty flavors of the cheese, adding depth and complexity to the combination. 6. Rich and decadent. Indulge in a luxurious pairing by combining creamy blue cheeses like Gorgonzola Dolce with dark chocolate. The creamy, tangy cheese balances the sweetness of the chocolate, risu, living in a decadent treat for your taste buds. Remember to consider the overall balance of flavors in your pairings. While contrasting flavors can create exciting combinations, finding complementary elements that enhance each other's characteristics often leads to the most harmonious pairings. In your quest to explore artisanal cheese pairings, don't forget to take note of your favorite combinations. As you try different pairings, you'll develop a better understanding of your own preference and tastes. This knowledge will help you create personalized cheese platters that cater to your unique palate and those of your guests. The world of artisanal cheese is vast and full of possibilities. Embrace the journey of discovering new flavors, textures, and combinations. With practice, your ability to create perfect cheese pairings will continue to grow, making you a true connoisseur of the art of culinary harmony. So, gather your favorite cheeses, unleash your creativity, and embark on the delicious adventure of pairing artisanal cheese with complementary flavors. Your taste buds will thank you, and your guest will be in awe of your cheese pairing prowess. Cheers to the joy of savoring artisanal cheese and the endless possibilities it brings. Additional pairing suggestions, continued. 7. Crispy and salty. Pair a hard cheese like Grana Padano or Pecorino Romano with thin, crispy crackers or crunchy pretzels. The saltiness of the cheese is enhanced by the texture and saltiness of crackers, creating a satisfying combination for snacking. 8. Delicate and floral. Pair a mild and delicate cheese like mozzarella or burrata with edible flowers like pansies or violets. The floral notes of the flowers add a touch of elegance to the creamy cheese, creating a visually stunning and flavorful combination. 9. Earthy and tangy. Pair washed rind cheeses like Epicus or Limburger with tangy pickles or sauerkraut. The tanginess cuts through the rich and pungent flavors of the cheese, creating a savory and well-balanced pairing. 10. Creamy and spiced. Try pairing a creamy cheese like Cambazola or Street Andre with spicy ginger or cinnamon. The creaminess of the cheese complements the warmth and spiciness of the spices, resulting in a unique and comforting combination. 11. Citrusy and herbaceous. Pair fresh chèvre or ricotta with a drizzle of lemon zest and a sprinkle of fresh herbs like thyme or dill. The citrusy zest and herbal notes enhance the mild flavors of tea.